So, Gerald, I know many people here today will be thinking, how can I learn more from you, connect with you, or even maybe work with you? I know you've got this mentorship program, which I've heard from several people is invaluable. Would you mind sharing a bit about it, please?
Well, I like to keep things simple. One thing I've learned in business is yes, give the customer value for money, but also make life simple for the customer. Don't make it complicated. In terms of my mentoring, I mean, if anybody just wants to contact me via LinkedIn for one-to-one, I love doing it. I've been doing it all day today, helping people. Strangely enough, a lot of them much richer and more successful than me. But nevertheless, they like to chat about my experience and what I can add. I help people go from a 2 million business to a 10 million pound business through acquisition or whatever. So, and also to deal with setbacks. So just contact me via LinkedIn, direct me, or email me at gerald@geraldonline.com. I'd be delighted to chat. And I'm not expensive.